Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing very quick impromptu get unready with me because I found out the day that I filmed this, which is the day before today, that I was going to be not working because of a snow day. So I decided to be a little bit extra and film this, I guess. I don't know, because all my other videos kind of fell through this week. So there's that. So first off, I obviously start off by washing my hands because that's really gross. I always wash my hands before I touch my face now, and now with COVID, I'm constantly washing my hands. I think I'm getting eczema, so it hurts whenever I wash my hands now. It's great time. So the way I take off my makeup now, I'm currently using a makeup eraser or reusable cotton rounds I bought off of Amazon. They're just really cost efficient and easy, and all I have to do is buy micellar water. I like to use micellar water now with the makeup eraser because I think it just does a better job to take off my makeup, and I'm not pulling my face as much because there's a little bit help from the micellar water and it's not just the makeup eraser. So I hope it doesn't ruin it, but it's just been a lot easier for me too, because at night, like, I don't want to be there for like 10-15 minutes just scrubbing my face, as you guys can see I am right now, because it's just, you know, you get home from work, you don't want to be bothered. It's just, ugh. And I'm not that girl that's going to sleep in her makeup anymore. Cue high school days, so there's that. But yeah, highly recommend makeup eraser, reusable cotton rounds, micellar water is like my favorite ways to take off makeup. I do still have normal cotton rounds, but those are just for my toner, which you guys will see. So there's my face. And next I decide I'm taking a shower because it's, yes, obviously. So these are my current body gels. They're both expired now, but I'm trying to use them up because I was like, crap, I had these for a year and I didn't use them on time. But I have the LUSH Happy Shower Gel. I wish they brought this back. It is so sparkly. And then of course you guys know I have my Snow Fairy, which is amazing. And this Bodycology Watermelon Splash Lotion is really good too. And then for my face, I'm using the Soap & Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash with my Duval Spin Brush. And after my shower, oh hi, look at that transition, really fast. I'm using the e.l.f. Peeling Exfoliant tonight because I'm not going to work tomorrow, so I figured, you know what, let's just self-care a little bit more. And it literally, like, you can feel your dead skin coming off. It's really gross, but I really love it a lot. Really helps to keep my skin nice and soft and help to reduce pimples. I really try to self-care my skin as much as I can now that we're in COVID and have to wear masks like literally all day long at work. So there's that. And I also change out my mask daily, so there's that too. But yeah, it's really gross and nasty, ew, but it gets the job done. So then I just end up washing my face. I don't know if I show that whole clip of that, probably, because that's me. But yeah, how are you guys doing? How is your holiday season going? I know that COVID has been terrible, and I even heard that there are some places that are like, don't spend time with your family. Like, it's just really horrifying. So I hope you guys are all staying safe, not only during the snow day but during COVID as well. And so there's the cotton rounds, as I said earlier. I'm going to use it with the Glow Recipe toner, which I do like it. I don't really know if it's doing anything, but I do notice sometimes when I put my makeup on, it's a lot smoother than it used to be, because obviously I have a lot of pores on my face and my cheeks, my chin, my nose, my forehead. So I think it has been doing a good job to try to reduce some of that. But I don't know. I see my face every day, so I don't really know if it's doing anything. That sounds so awful. But I love using a toner now. I just think it really helps to get like the excess makeup off that I missed, which tends to happen a lot because I do still wear a decent amount of makeup, even though we wear masks. Yes, I know. But it just makes me happy. So that's kind of my whole prerogative with that. And I really like to get like in the crevices of everything because that's where I get pimples. And as you guys can see, ew, hello, excess makeup. We're all set with that. And currently I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. Again, I don't know if this is doing anything. It's not one of my favorite eye creams. It's like okay, but it just gets the job done. It makes me feel like I'm doing something in my under eyes because that's where I'm already kind of starting to show my wrinkles and I have really bad bags, as you guys know. So there's that. Love the face I'm making too. Does anyone else do that? And then currently I'm using the Yes2 Watermelon Gel Moisturizer because I ran out of my Glow Recipe one in my stash, and I'm using this one, and it's not bad, not terrible. But I probably won't buy it again just because like I have so much watermelon skincare. As I said before, my face is very oily, combo, acne sensitive, so all of the watermelon skincare, if I use too much at one time, I feel like it really breaks my face out. So we're just trying to reduce that as much as possible. Get that and obviously put it all over your neck. Hello. And then I'm using my little roller I got from the Dollar Tree. And so many people on TikTok are like, Sam, that doesn't even work. Why are you even using that? It's such a waste of time. And it might be, but it makes me feel like I'm doing something to my skin and getting the circulation going. I don't know, as you guys see me just rolling it on my face. But I do think it low-key kind of helps with my double chin a little bit. Like, I feel like everyone just kind of has a double chin at this point. But I feel like it's kind of been what has been helping. And low-key, I heard that you can do cool sculpting at home, so maybe I'll try that for it eventually, but there's that. So then after that, I'll just take my hair down, which is very crunchy. I wash my hair once a week. I use dry shampoo basically almost every single day. I put it up, I take it down, I do a whole 9 yards, but I like to take it down after I shower because it does get wet in the back of my head when I wear a bun, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief get unready with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18? No, 17. Love you guys. Bye.